In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom subdomains and card website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to publish your card site to a subdomain like portfolio.yourdomain.com, using the built-in publishing flow inside Card. First, head to your Card dashboard and open the site you want to publish. From the editor, look for the Publish button, the one you'll use whenever you're ready to make your changes live. If you've been designing for a while, it's a good idea to save your work before moving on, just to keep everything in sync. When the Publish panel opens, start by filling in the title field. This isn't just a label, it becomes the page title that appears in the Browser tab and helps with search and sharing. Keep it clear, concise, and relevant to the content of your page so visitors know exactly what they're viewing. Next, add a description. Think of this as your site's elevator pitch. It often shows up in search results and social previews, so write a brief, compelling summary that includes key terms people might use to find you. Aim for natural language rather than keyword stuffing. Now, choose the action for how you want to publish. In this case, select the option to publish to a custom domain. This tells Card you're connecting your own address instead of using a default Card URL. In the domain field, type the full subdomain you want to use, such as portfolio.yourdomain.com. Enter only the domain, no HTTP or slashes. Make sure you own the domain and have access to manage its settings with your domain provider. Finally, click Publish. Card will confirm the settings and begin processing. If your domain isn't pointed correctly yet, Card may provide guidance on what needs to be adjusted with your provider. That's normal, and changes on the internet can take some time to update, so give it a little while if the new address doesn't load immediately. Once it's live, you can always return to the Publish panel to update your title, description, or republish changes with the same subdomain.